Thank you for this opportunity for me to let you know that I am here in India from Samoa. I am a patient from Samoa, but they sent me here for my surgery for eye taker. So from the bottom of my heart, I am very proud of doctors and I'm very proud of your services. So this time for me, we're now just a week ago, and then I will leave here to my country. And I also thank you very much for your services. I'm very proud of it. First of all, for our country, thank you for our country here in India for sending us from there, how far we are and distance why they were here, because we need help for our surgery here in India. And especially give the thanks for Dr. Mallika. She's the one who do everything for us and make us strong. That's why we're here 3 weeks ago. But God bless you all. And I knew and I know that you are here. But the special things I ever seen in my life here in India, your service, very nice service, your smiling faces, everything done for us is very good for me and my culture in Samoa. So my own opinion is may God bless all of you and the country here in India. Thank you very much for your supporting us. May God bless be with you and have a good worker today and help you for your servicing. Thank you very much.